By your word, you made heaven and the earth. When you speak, it stays through all eternity. I can't imagine how spoken word became flesh, full of grace and truth. You hear in our midst and live in me. You are amazing, God. You are amazing, God. Your thought is higher than earth. All creation testify. You are amazing, God. God's love is so amazing. You see, in life, no matter how much you love your friends, your spouse, your children, your family, there is a greater love, and that's the love of God. Embrace that love today. I want to invite you to my concert. God bless you as you come. I would love to see you there. Bye.